So this is how we're going to start our Key West trip. Early this morning, actually on our last trip, we found a bulge in our tire. You really can't see it in this video. So we're gonna have the tire replaced this morning. It's probably a broken belt, but we'd rather find out now than later. And last night we couldn't get power 12 volt because we found a loose fuse. Got that resolved last night, and now we just wait to get tire replaced and be on our way.
Key West bound. Sprocket. Peanut.
Got closer to the wall.
Midway Campground. Cypress National Forest. I don't like that water's right there. You know there's gators in there. So this campground does not have any water hookup, so we're gonna put a little bit of water in our tank, aren't we, Peanut? And then we'll loop around again and figure out which side is ours. I have no cell phone service, so I can't pull up our reservation. Dan wanted to know if I have a minute. He's over here in a palm tree. I think he's looking for the drone. Let's find out. Hey babe, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Drone shopping.
Drone shopping. What happened?
The drone had a rough landing.
Where is it?
It was way up there and I knocked it down to here. Now I can't knock it down anymore because it'd be in the water.
Uh-huh. And there are gators in this water. Where is
Gators, schmaters.
Where is it?
Are you holding the ladder? Good.
Huh?
Are you holding the ladder?
No. You want me to hold
So
the ladder?
close to it. I'm gonna get about another foot.
Huh?
I have to get another foot.
Oh, I see it. I think I see it.
You see it?
Yep. Can you climb the palm tree?
So you need to put the camera down and hold the ladder.
Oh. I thought you just wanted me to video this.
I did, but now I'm so close to it.
Okay, all right.
But don't, just grab the, there you go.
Whoa. Oh boy. Well, that was exciting. Peppers and onions, potatoes, and cheesesteaks tonight. Letting the grill get hot here.